Back with breaking updates coming in. Arvind Kejriwal all set to surrender in just a few moments from now. According to his interim bail plea, the petition that had been accepted by the Supreme Court, he is to surrender today after the polling has come to an end. So Arvind Kejriwal, of course, approached the Supreme Court and then a lower court seeking an extension in his interim bail plea. Now he is going to surrender. He is returning to Tihar jail. My colleague Tejshri joins us from the spot. Take a look at this report.
There you see Arvind Kejriwal leaving from his residence along with all the senior ministers, along with the Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann. Also remember that from here he will be going to Rajghat, then will be offering prayers at Connaught Place, Hanuman Mandir, then will be going to party office, addressing the Karyakartas. So here is the cavalcade you can see of Punjab Chief Minister as well. There you see Sanjay Singh, Atishi, Saurabh Bharadwaj, all other ministers of Aam Aadmi Party accompanying Arvind Kejriwal. Seems like it is certainly a massive show of strength done by Aam Aadmi Party, so as to give the message that even if Arvind Kejriwal is going to jail, their party will remain strengthened up, and now they are heading towards Rajghat, and we'll have to see that what will Arvind Kejriwal say to his Karyakartas, to the supporters who are waiting at Aam Aadmi Party's headquarters. With camera person Jaspreet, I'm Tejshri.
So Arvind Kejriwal all set to return to Tihar jail, and the Aam Aadmi Party making a big show of it. There are top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, including the Delhi ministers, who are accompanying him. The Chief Minister is all set to return to Tihar jail after his interim bail comes to an end. He will, of course, be making a pit stop at Rajghat. He is also expected to go to the Hanuman Mandir at Connaught Place, and he will be meeting the Aam Aadmi Party supporters as well. Tejshri joining us live. Tejshri, the Aam Aadmi Party clearly making a show of Arvind Kejriwal's return to Tihar. We have the top leaders, the ministers of the Delhi government really accompanying the Chief Minister.
Certainly all the top ministers of Aam Aadmi Party along with Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann will be accompanying Arvind Kejriwal wherever he will be going, say it be from Rajghat to Connaught Place to Aam Aadmi Party's office. And this particular meeting at Arvind Kejriwal's residence, where all the ministers and the CM of Punjab were present, this particular meeting is also very much important because certain strategic political points were discussed in this meeting so as to how they will be carrying it forward, because remember that on June 4, election results will be announced. So what will be the Aam Aadmi Party's role, because Kejriwal will be going to jail, walking to Tihar jail, and post that now who will be representing Arvind Kejriwal? That is also the big question, because when he was in Tihar jail it was Sunita Kejriwal, but now who will be the next one who will be representing on his behalf? Now it is also important to see that what address he makes to the Karyakartas while he will be reaching the party office, because that is also certainly very much important. After going to Rajghat, after going to Connaught Place, Hanuman Mandir, then he will be going to party office to address the Karyakartas and the people of Delhi as well. And there it seems to be, this address seems to be very much important because it will be his last address before going to Tihar jail.
Okay,
back to you.
All right, Tejshri, thank you for joining us. We'll continue coming back to you through the day. Arvind Kejriwal expected to make a few pit stops before he goes to Tihar jail. Quick break now. We'll be right back.